Before we start this video, I would request you all to support my channel Adam's Tech Guide by clicking on this red subscribe button right below this video. Once you guys click on this red subscribe button, you will see this bell notification icon right next to it. Please make sure you click on this bell notification icon and click on this all in order to get the notifications and the updates for my future videos. And last but not least, if you guys like my videos, please click on this thumbs up button to show me your love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shahbaz here from Adam's Tech Guide. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to kind of roll back the bootable flash drives files into an image file. If you have a bootable flash drive for Windows operating system, using a flash drive, we'll be creating an image file for Windows operating system, which we can use later. Flash drive is already connected to my computer, and we'll be using a software which will help us to roll back those files into an image file, and we'll create an image file out of the bootable flash drive. So without wasting any further ado, let's start the video. So guys, let's start the video. First off, you're gonna have to go to Google and search for the software called AnyBurn. Just type in AnyBurn download and it will give you the first link to download the software. Just click on the first link. Here you're gonna have to click on the first link which says download 64-bit. So I'll just click on it. Once the setup file gets downloaded, you're gonna have to double click on the setup file and run the setup. I'm going to close this page so that the process becomes much faster. So once you run this setup, it will give you this window. Just click on agree and install it. It will take some time and it will install a setup file. Just click on next, create a desktop icon. Okay, I'll just click on close, and we are done installing this software on our computer. So we're going to just double click on the software to run it. This is the application. Once you open the application, you will see all these options right here in this window. You'll have to click on create image file from files and folders. Once you click on it, it will bring you this box. Now my flash drive is already connected to my computer, so I'm gonna just double click on this PC, and this is my flash drive. As you guys can see right here, we've got different files inside it as well. Now you'll have to search for the files which are there in the flash drive to create an image file. So I'll go to add and I will search for my flash drive. I'll click on this drop down and I will go to this PC and I will go to my flash drive which is right here. I'll double click here and I will add all these files. Just you can just press Ctrl A to select all of them, and you'll have to click on add, and it will be added into the software. Now it will take some time to add all these files. Once these files gets added, so it will show right here. That means all the files from the flash drive has already been added. Now I'll just have to cross check if these files are right here. So we have the setup file here, and let me just go through the files and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 files right here, and I'll just cross check going into my flash drive that we've got 8 files. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 files right here as well. So that means all the files have been successfully added in the software. Now we are ready to create an image out of these files. So we'll just click on next in order to proceed further, and it will ask me to enter the name for image file. I'll give it Windows 11 64-bit, and I'll select the destination as desktop because I want to keep things simple. So I've selected the desktop as the destination to create the file, and I think that's more than enough. I'll have to just click on create now, and it will start creating an image file for our Windows operating system. As you guys can see, this thing has already been created here, right here. It says Windows 11, and now it will take some time to create this image file. This is just an icon which has been already created. Now the software is adding all the files into this image. It will take some time for this image file to get completely created, since the process will take some time. So I'm gonna pause this video right here, and I'll be back once the process gets completed and our image file is ready to use. So I'm pausing the video right here, and I'll resume the video once the process gets completed. So the process got completed and we've got the image file right here. So as I mentioned earlier, once we are done making an image file for Windows operating system, we will cross-check it. We will examine this image file if it works. So I'm just gonna right-click on it and I'll open it using our Windows Explorer. As you guys can see, it has mounted a virtual DVD drive in our computer. So we're just gonna double click on this PC and we will see a virtual DVD drive right here, which will help us to install Windows operating system onto our computer. We are getting an option to run and install the setup utility. Just gonna click on it and see what comes next. Now, as you guys can see, this has started the Windows setup utility. That means image file creation has been successfully completed and it has gone fine. There is no issue. Showed you how to mount the image file first and then you're gonna have to run it. So that's how you do the things right. I mean, if I go click next, it will take me to the update and it will ask me to go through the entire installation process. So I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna cancel this for now. So guys, that's it for today. That's how you create an image file using Windows bootable flash drive. So if in case you've created the Windows bootable flash drive, you can roll back the files from it and you can again create an image file for Windows operating system, and that's how you do things right. So if you guys have any questions for this process, you guys can feel free to ask your questions in the comments box down there. If you guys haven't subscribed for my channel, Adam's Tech Guide, you guys can do that right now since I make these kind of useful videos on my channel. And do make sure you click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button in order to get the updates about my latest videos. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.